How to fix Facebook dating not showing problem. The very first thing you need to make sure that your application Facebook is up to date. If not, you can easily head over to your app store and then update your application. Most of the time, updating the application has fixed the issue. So once the application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is to head over to your settings. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. Search for the application Facebook and then move into it. The option of Offload app will be visible to you. What you want to do is click on it. And once again click on Offload app. It will clear all the cache and the storage of the application. Clearing the cache and storage will remove all the unwanted bugs and it will make your application run smoothly. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on the application Facebook. So hopefully it's gonna work out for you. If not, the next thing you wanna do is simply uninstall the application and then reinstall it again. Reinstalling the application will definitely fix the issue and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can fix Facebook dating not showing problem. I really hope this video is gonna be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.